Hi, I'm Kelvin Morales, Creative Director and Designer behind Kelvin Morales. My source of inspirations comes from different aspects of life that revolves around dark and unusual things. I like creating a narrative for each of my collections to further understand my vision and energy that I want to invoke. My brand aesthetic is contemporary and experimental that does not conform to idealist standards of beauty. My clients or the people who understand my brand are those who have a deep appreciation for art and live on the excitement of the unexpected. I like things to have a focal point and balance. This is the core of how I do things, but I also like collaborating. Working with my team is an essential tool of my creative direction because it is a combination of aesthetics and trust. There is unspoken understanding that connects our vision and mutates it into cohesive output. The PHX Tokyo collection is about future dystopia. At present, I have studied and observed people are getting genetically deformed because of the toxic chemical exposure. I took inspiration from that concept and translated through pieces with futuristic tailoring and semi-ragged appeal. These questions are actions as cause of this current pandemic and other calamities we have experiencing. I want to bring light and consciousness to the toxic waste and pollution brought by our careless mindset.